The negative, perhaps, is the fact that global cues have been a bit subdued. The Dow was, in fact, down 350 points yesterday. So we are going into trade with a bit of a global setback. But post-market hours, you had good numbers from big tech companies in the US. So, that's another positive. So let's see all the positives and negatives put together, cancelling each other. Markets absolutely flat. That's the first tick. The Nifty down about 15 odd points. The Bank Nifty down about 90 points. The Bank Nifty is dragging a bit, while the mid-cap index is down about 50 points. So the start is in the red, a tad bit really, nothing major to complain for the bulls. Bajaj Auto is actually down 1%. So remember, the stock has also rallied quite a bit, and there are some concerns with respect to exports, etc. So maybe some profit taking is what you're seeing. Hindalco, Divi's Labs, Ultratech Cement, Tata Steel, a couple of other stocks that are dragging their feet. In fact, metals is on the back foot this morning, and the PSU. So BPCL, ONGC are all in the red at the moment. Reliance, oil and gas in general is under a bit of pressure as we speak. So watch out for that. On the upside though, Eicher Motors is your big mover, up about 1%. You have Bharti Airtel, TCS, Bajaj Finance and Adani Enterprises that are moving up. Infosys is clawing back a tad bit. Maruti Suzuki, ahead of its numbers, is up in the green. Tech Mahindra and Titan are a couple of other stocks that are just trending higher a tad bit. And otherwise, the market is very, very quiet. I think, Nigel will have a lot more exciting stock movements to talk about. But the headline index is really not doing too much. Some of these stocks like Glenmark Pharma are trending at 52-week highs. RVNL, Ircon also at 52-week highs. But the stock of the moment in the broader markets is Mahindra CIE. Almost a 10% rally now on that stock. Posted a very good set of numbers.
Well, that's right, Sonia. Just to give you a couple of stocks more, these Gujarat-based companies, they are doing very, very well because of that policy that's announced. The Gujarat government, they have said that the Gujarat state PSUs, well, they could have to announce, bigger dividends, and various other corporate actions as well. So GMDC is up and about in today's trading session. You have GSPL as well that's up. You have GNFC as well that's up. So all that clutch of stocks, well, it's firing away as we speak. A couple of other notable movers today. To pull up Dalmia Bharat, the stock started off with a cut-off closure around 0.5% odd. But a couple of these other cement names as well are taking a bit of a knock, anticipating maybe weaker than expected numbers. But I think for Dalmia Bharat, it's more a company-specific issue. You have Ultratech that's a little bit lower. Shree Cement is down close to around 1.5% or thereabouts. Indian Hotels as well is up close to around 1% in today's trading session. AU Small Finance Bank is now down close to around 2.5%. So clearly the street doesn't like that set of numbers. And MCX is down 4.5% as we speak. IGL as well added to the losers list, down 1.5%. The initial dip has got bought into the Nifty along the flat line after starting off a little bit lower.
Nigel, the stock of the day once again for the third day is RVNL, right? I mean, it's up 7%, which means in 3 days, and this is the first hour of the third day, in 3 days the stock is up 45%. So that is tremendous.